All right, I'm leaving. I will leave now. You can be a jerk. Ah, I moved the pillow. Thirston, be sweet. Give her a kiss, Thirston. Give him a kiss. Thank you for taking up for me. Oh my God. I'm leaving. Are you going to chase me away? Huh? You're in a bad mood. Good God. Why are you in such a bad mood? What's the matter with you? Yes, I had to get a pillow. He's so mad. You do not want me in here, do you? All right. He's gonna come charging out of here as soon as he sees I remove the pillow. Oh, you're so mean. Don't you bite me. Oh, no, Thirston. You're such a demon. What's wrong with you? Don't you be bad. Don't wet me. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Ugh. I'm gonna turn the light on so we can see. Don't you want to see? Oh, yeah. You want some light? Oh. Here we go. Oh, ow! Stop it. God, you psycho bird. You are so bad. My closet, and I need to get in there. All right? And you're protecting the kitties, the baby kitties who are behind that door. Buddy, I need to get in the closet. Are you gonna let me, or are you gonna attack my feet? You look very vicious. All right, I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna come in here. Okay. Thirston. Oh! Ow! What are you doing up there? What are you doing? Are you gonna get that can? You're gonna take that can out of there and pull it on the counter? Good job. You're so smart.